My name is David Price. I'm the owner of Taffy's Treats Fudge. The nature of the business is to produce a quality, traditional, home-cooked fudge. Growing up as a child, it was normal to be brought up with home-cooked food using natural ingredients. Recently, when I tried to purchase fudge from a supermarket, it seemed that the fudge available was either mass-produced or come from packets. So that gave me the incentive to produce a quality fudge from natural ingredients. Most of my ingredients, wherever possible, are produced from within Wales, and a lot of products that I can buy off the shelves I purchase from other traders at markets and events to promote their business. This could be from the natural honey to the marmalade that we produce for the Barbara fudge.
Here at the living room we create a community space where people can listen to one another, share stories, share creativity, encourage one another. We started because we wanted to make a difference in our community, to build ties together. It's really important to us to support local suppliers at the living room. We want to showcase the best of what our local community are able to produce and do to celebrate their gifts and talents. Our kitchen table and cafe tables are really special to us because they were crafted by a local carpenter named Fudge with wood donated to us from Woodland Pren, a local community timber yard.
It's good that other local businesses actually purchase off small producers such as myself to promote their business and to help the smaller business.
We're really excited to stock fudge from Taffy's Treats because some of the flavours that Dave produces match really well with our menu of cakes. He's really creative with some of his other flavours as well, and we can't wait to try them all. We're immensely grateful for our relationship with Mynydd because they were there at the beginning giving us advice, and they've walked with us this journey of 3 years to explore creatively how we can continue to be a vibrant part of our community.